If I only had 3 minutes with you, just enough time to plant one seed, I would tell you this. You are not far from the life you want, you are one discipline away. Not one miracle, not one lucky break, not one perfect morning where motivation finally shows up, just one discipline done daily, even when it's feel boring, heavy, or invisible. Because here is the truth. No one prepares you for. Your life doesn't change when you feel ready. It changes when you decide to stay consistent without applause. Think about it. One disciplined morning rewires your confidence. One disciplined boundary restores your self respect. A one disciplined hour a day compounds into a completely new identity. Most people are not failing because they lack potential. They are failing because they keep negotiating with themselves. They wake up and ask, do I feel like it today? And that question quietly steals years. Discipline doesn't ask for permission. Discipline decides in advance. It says, this is who I am now. Even when it's uncomfortable, even when it's lonely, even when no one is watching. And yes, discipline will feel strict at first because it's taking agreement you made with your old self, the version of you that procrastinated, that waited for motivation, that's subtle for almost. And but listen carefully. Discipline is not punishment. It's self-respect in action. It's you telling your future self, I am not abandoning you again. And the moment you commit to that one discipline, the one you have been avoiding, everything begins to shift. Your posture changes, your energy sharpens, your standards rise, and slowly people stop recognizing you. Not because you became louder, but because you became consistent. So, today, don't try to change your whole life. Change one discipline, one habit you will not skip, one boundary you will no longer cross, one promise you will keep no matter what. Choose one discipline, one habit that will not skip, one boundary you will no longer cross, one promise you will keep no matter what, and keep it. Because 1 year from now, you won't remember the struggle. You will only remember the moment you finally choose yourself. You are not broken, you are not late, you are not behind. You are one discipline away from completely new life, and it starts today. So, before you close this video, before you scroll, before the noise of the world rushes back in, sit with this truth for a moment. Your life doesn't need a dramatic overhaul. It needs one decision you stop breaking. One discipline you choose even when you are tired, even when it's inconvenient, even when no one claps for it. Because discipline is not loud. It doesn't announce itself. It doesn't demand recognition. It shows up quietly and then it changes everything. One disciplined action a day builds trust with yourself, and self trust is the foundation of every powerful life. This is how confidence is born. This is how self discipline is restored. This is how your future stops feeling so far away. One day, you will look back and realize it wasn't the big moment that transformed you. It was the small promise you keep on the days you wanted to quit. The morning you still showed up. The boundary you finally enforced. The distraction you refused to indulge. That's when your identity shifted. Not overnight, but permanently. So, tonight, choose your discipline, write it down, protect it, honor it, and when it feels hard, remember this. Discipline is not what makes you freedom away, it's what gives you your life back. You are not waiting on motivation, you are not missing anything. You are standing one disciplined decision away from becoming someone you will be proud to meet. And when the future version looks back at you, this moment right now will be the one they thank you for. Choose wisely, choose consistently, choose yourself. Thank you for being here.